Imagine discovering a natural supplement that could be as powerful as a leading diabetes medication. Berberine, a remarkable compound derived from various plants like berberis, has been utilized in traditional medicine for centuries. This ancient remedy is now gaining renewed attention for its potential health benefits. But can it truly match the effects of Ozempic, a widely used drug for diabetes and weight loss? Let's explore if berberine can be nature's answer to Ozempic. What is berberine? Berberine is a potent compound found in several plants, including berberis. For thousands of years, it has been a cornerstone in Chinese and Ayurvedic medicine. People have relied on it to treat a variety of ailments, ranging from infections to digestive issues. Today, researchers are unveiling its potential to address modern health challenges. Recent studies have shown that berberine activates an enzyme called AMPK, which plays a critical role in regulating metabolism. This enzyme helps your body use energy more efficiently, contributing to better overall health. But with such impressive capabilities, how does it compare to a powerful prescription drug like Ozempic? What is Ozempic? Ozempic, known by its generic name semaglutide, is a medication prescribed for type 2 diabetes. It helps control blood sugar levels and is also praised for its weight loss benefits. Ozempic works by mimicking a hormone called GLP-1. This hormone helps your body release insulin and lowers blood sugar after meals. Ozempic has become popular not just among those with diabetes but also among people looking to manage their weight. It's typically injected once a week, making it a convenient option for many. But are there downsides? Like all medications, Ozempic has side effects including nausea and digestive issues. Health benefits of berberine. Berberine offers a range of health benefits. Let's break them down. 1. Blood sugar regulation. Berberine can significantly lower blood sugar levels. Studies show that it helps cells take up glucose more efficiently and improves insulin sensitivity. This makes it a promising natural remedy for managing diabetes. 2. Weight management. Berberine may aid in weight loss by boosting metabolism. Research suggests it can help reduce body fat and improve overall body composition. 3. Heart health. Berberine supports cardiovascular health. It lowers LDL cholesterol, the bad kind, and increases HDL cholesterol, the good kind. It also helps reduce blood pressure, contributing to a healthier heart. 4. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is linked to many diseases including diabetes and heart disease. Berberine has powerful anti-inflammatory effects, helping to reduce inflammation in the body. These benefits make berberine an attractive option for those seeking natural health solutions. But how does it compare to Ozempic, especially in terms of effectiveness and safety? Comparing berberine to Ozempic. Now, let's see how berberine and Ozempic compare. 1. Mechanisms of action. Ozempic works by mimicking the GLP-1 hormone, which helps regulate insulin and blood sugar. Berberine, on the other hand, activates the AMPK enzyme, enhancing metabolism. While their mechanisms differ, both aim to improve metabolic health. 2. Effectiveness. Both berberine and Ozempic are effective in managing blood sugar levels and promoting weight loss. However, berberine's effects might be less dramatic but still significant. It's a solid natural alternative for those who prefer supplements over medications. 3. Side effects and safety. Ozempic's side effects can include nausea, vomiting, and digestive discomfort. Berberine generally has milder side effects such as stomach upset, especially when taken in high doses. Both should be used under medical supervision, but berberine's natural origin might appeal to those wary of pharmaceutical drugs. Practical usage and dosage. Using berberine effectively requires some knowledge. 1. Dosage. The common recommendation is 500 mg, 2 to 3 times daily with meals. This helps minimize potential stomach upset and ensures better absorption. 2. Precautions. Always consult with a healthcare provider before starting berberine, especially if you're taking other medications. Berberine can interact with certain drugs, including antibiotics and medications for blood pressure. 3. Comparing with Ozempic. Ozempic is typically injected once a week as prescribed by a doctor. This makes it convenient for those who prefer a simple regimen. However, the side effects can be more pronounced compared to berberine. Berberine and Ozempic both offer significant health benefits, particularly for blood sugar regulation and weight management. While Ozempic is a powerful prescription medication, Berberine stands out as a promising natural alternative. It's essential to consider your health needs and consult a professional before making any decisions. Have you tried Berberine or Ozempic? Share your experiences in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest health insights.